this is really a good pictorial. You'll know later.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zub! Good morning! For today's vlog, ito na yung pictorial na sinasabi ko sa inyo na 2 araw pa. So ngayon yung unang araw, tapos tomorrow naman yung pangalawa. Papunta na ako dun ngayon, ihatid ako ni Andy. Yung mga bata na iwan kay Mami Eileen. At as of this moment, sila ay nagbe-breakfast, magkakasama. And ayun. Anong gagawin mo after? Pagkahatid mo sa akin?
Need to go shopping.
In 200 meters.
Kasi tomorrow,
Make a U-turn.
meron kami nga attend na
Stay
formal
agile to get
birthday.
dispatched back on track.
Birthday event tomorrow. Yan, pagkatapos ng shoot. So ayun. Yung pictorial ko naman is only until 10 to 4. And this is really a good pictorial. You'll know later. Papakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga behind the scenes. Syempre, excited ako dito. Talagang pinaghandaan ko tong araw na ito. Kaya naman, eto na. On the way na kami. See ya! I'm here na guys. Magpipictorial. Magme-makeup na tayo. Gusto mo ako mag-contacts? Anong kulay?
Parang ano lang, hazel lang. Same lang din, paputukin ko lang.
Mata ko. Ganda yung contacts ka. Ito na naman si ano.
Manager mo.
Sige, okay lang. Ngayon na. Dapat ngayon na, bago ko mag-makeup. Kaso ikaw magkakabit saka magtatanggal. Hindi ako sanay.
Sige.
So magka-contact lens to tayo for today's pictorial.
Raquel. Siya si Raquel.
Si Ate Raquel.
Kumari ng bayan.
Kumari ng bayan. Eh, ikaw.
Mama mo.
Absent ng bayan.
Dahil mo naman sinasabi.
Hello lang. Okay lang.
Boom. Bago ang lahat, iniman tayo ng shoes.
Just got home from dropping off Diana at her shoot, so I'm going to go check on the kids because apparently they're going swimming because there's no people inside the room, so I'm going to go downstairs and check them out.
All the right words poured from your mouth, holding me tight, saying I'm all yours, but I feel in my gut it doesn't feel right. I see in your eyes. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies. Tell me no lie, 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 lie. Let's talk about your ex. Let's talk about your ex.
Hello po!
Si Curly! Ba't di mo ako pinapansin, Mama Cor?
Saan di kita nakita?
Dito ka pala.
Kakating ko lang kasi nalita ko.
Coffee mo.
Hello, good morning. What is our style for today? Ha!
Still
casual chic. More on the color palette. Fresh, white, beige. Something more, paano ba? Ano ba yan? Sa skin, color niya. Ayan. Well, flattering. Wow! Flattering!
Hey.
Hey, pero busy ka daw.
I know, ito na nga oh. Super live kasi tayo kapag nag-makeup dahil sayang oras.
Oh, ikaw, what is your hair look for today? Magsalita ka naman para may ganap ka. Tingnan mo. Mas yung attitude ng hairstylist mo, oh.
Ever since, hello.
Opo.
Okay.
Ayan. Mimi? Charot! What is your food?
It's me again, baby. Oh, may kangkong. I can see the kangkong. Kangkong. Kain tayo mga zooms. Ito, mga zooms. Ang ating first look for the day. So, very, clean. Clean? Nakaputi. Clean looking.
Oh, emote. Oh, yan. Lilisik yung mat.
Ano naman? Ano tayo ngayon? Purity. Cleanliness. Ano bang mga shot ngayon? Parang
Shutdown. Gagi.
Ay, naku. Walang karapatang mag-ano ha.
Ano na naman? Hindi kayo mag-aasap pusa. Charot. Ganda o glass skin.
True ba?
Binibining syubaranggam pampamparu.
Ito na. Simulan na tayo ng show.
Ready?
Ready. We are ready. Set up na para sa catwalk. Totoo talaga.
Baka mermaid siya.
I love it.
Bibigyan ka daw ng mermaid eksena sa GF.
Hindi ako marunong lumaki. Hindi kaya.
Pero lalakad. Mermaid, charot.
Sinasabi si Curtin, mermaid na lalakad. Ano ba naman? So anyway, pagkatapos nitong shot na to, papalit na tayo ng damit. Tapos, shoot again. Busy-busy. Tag natin.
Pang ilang working day mo to eh? Ngayong linggo.
Straight ano?
Straight ba?
Wednesday lang
isa
tayo
lang wala. Oh my God, that's the...
Wednesday lang ako walang work. Since Monday until Monday.
Wala kang work sa Monday.
Meron.
Ano?
Antayin mo. Anyway, update you guys. See you later. Punta na tayo dito sa taas. Pero ganun pa din, mag-video and photo shoot. Siyempre, yung result kailangan abangan ninyo pagkain. Hello, ako po si Diana Zubiri at ako ang bagong mukha ng Cara Aesthetics. Ano? Ito yung tatanggal.
Kain ng kain? Oo. Paano hindi tataba?
Nakakaya naman sa katawan ko.
Sexy po ako, hello. Sabi nga nila, pumayat, naninira ka ng vlog. Nakakain. Di ba takot ka? Aray! Mapanakit po siya! Ayan. Mag-hi naman kayo. Hello mga zoobs, ganun. Oh.
Hello mga zoobs.
Yung mas malandi.
Hello mga zoobs.
Para, naku, hindi pinakakain. It's a game na. Ikaw, hello mga zoobs. Energetic. Hello mga zoobs. Ay, hindi nanonood ng vlog.
Hindi siya nanonood. Ba't kinukuha mo?
Oo. Sabi mo, hey mga zoobs.
Wala kasi kaming TV sa bahay.
May cellphone.
Oh my God, hindi talaga TV kang
YouTube.
Ah, hindi TV.
Okay. Hello mga zoobs.
Ay mga zoobs.
Zoobs! Zoobs!
Okay. Ay mga zoobs.
May S ulit.
Yes kasi dahil.
Hello mga zoobs. Ganon. Subiri kasi zoobs.
Okay.
Oh.
Short for zoobs.
Oo, game.
Okay.
Nakaulan.
Ay mga zoobs.
Tapos na mga zoobs. Nagtanggalan ako ng makeup dito kasi yung last na ginawa sa akin is parang shoot for facial. So, syempre, kapag magfa-facial ka, wala ka naman talaga dapat makeup. Ayan. So, eto na. True na. Nag-pictorial na tayo sa Cara dahil ako po ang bagong mukha ng Cara Aesthetics. And I'm so proud and happy to announce that now. Yung mga shoot namin, lalabas yan. Malapit na. Syempre, yung announcement natin ay dito nanggaling sa ating vlog. And ipapalabas din natin yung mga snippets lang. And yung mga result sa ano na yan. Bye-bye daw, Daddy.
Bakit?
Bye! Siyempre yung result, paunahin natin si Cara na maglabas.
Landay mo?
Ito ngayon, sinundo na ako ni Andy. Kami ngayon ay pupunta sa mall dahil mamimili siya ng susutin niya bukas. Meron ako susutin pero I'll just look kung ano man yung makita namin. Gusto niya pumunta sa Uniqlo. Meron sa Estancia.
Turn right.
Yeah, but last time we went to Estancia, we got lost.
Oo nga eh. Gusto mo ba talaga doon pumunta, Daddy?
Kasi the only other Uniqlo I know
is UP
Town, and I don't know if there's one in Mega Mall though. But I think there is. But the thing is, I don't know on which side, so parang mahirap.
So sure tayo sa Estancia.
Well, it's just around the corner, really.
Okay. So, ayan, pupunta kami ng Estancia and ito na, on the way na kami. But I think we need to eat first kasi gutom na ako.
We didn't eat it. I haven't really eaten either. I just ate.
Kumain ako ng tuna pandesal, pero just the tuna, a little bit of pandesal. And then I ate a little bit of sinigang, the gulay and the pork lang. So maybe.
Shoot tomorrow.
Oo, may shoot pa kasi kami tomorrow. Another day guys for Cara dahil 2-day shoot. Tomorrow naman sa studio lang kami. Karamihan kasi sa shoot namin today is the machines and yung how to parang paano ka magpapabook kay Cara, paano ka basta, kailangan pa mapanood ninyo.
So for reference guys, we are here at the P2. I'm gonna film it so we don't get lost this time. P2 escalator eastward. As you know, the last time we came to this mall, we got lost in the car park. So we're hoping for the best this time.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got that motion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion.
Hi, Manga Zoobs. We're gonna open the advent calendar.
Okay, I'm here now with Mimi. Today is
The 8th one.
No, 7.
7.
7.
Yes.
You open it.
Oh, don't open 2.
Only one.
Only one, okay? How do you do it?
Okay, let's check what is it. Yee.
Thank you, Hilton Hotel.
Alam niya na yung sasabihin.
I like it.
You like it.
But I wanna go.
Salamat.
Salamat. I wanna see it. What's in there?
A cookie again, I think. Or a brown. A chocolate. Maybe you give it to Ate Zara kasi hindi pa niya natikman.
I wanna take money.
Oh, sige.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, it's a different flavor.
Yeah. It's a different flavor.
Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah. Look, see. Yum. What's the wrap? Let's eat it tomorrow. Bye. More.
You like it? Sarap naman.
One. Naman.
Bye, mga Zoom.
Bye, mga Zoom.
It's been a long day, so good night. How about me?
Good night. Good night, mga Zoobs.
Gandang gabi.
Gandang gabi.